Welcome to today's lesson, and today we are going to learn about the model town board. My name is Perez, your driving instructor. First, I would like to urge you to subscribe to our channel so as to continue getting more of our content. In the first part of this tutorial, we learned about the features of the model town board, types of roads, that is one and two-way traffic roads, and the roundabout, among others. So if you haven't watched it, please make sure you do so that you can be able to follow seamlessly. Now today we will learn about the parking zones, major and minor road, and the directions taken by each vehicle on a lane when approaching the roundabout. On the model town board, we have a major road and a minor road. The major road has 4 lanes, while the minor road has 3 lanes. So for you to learn about the lanes taken by each vehicle when approaching the roundabout, it is very important for you to know about rules of the model town board first, because these rules serve to enhance discipline and maintain focus during the learning period. They are also essential as they provide invaluable guidance, ensuring safety during practical driving scenarios. The fourth part is the parking zones. The model town board has 2 types of parking. The first one is the angle, ample or controlled parking zone. The second one is the flush, parallel or uncontrolled parking zone. Now in the angle parking, vehicles are designated to flow in one direction. The parking area has a designated entrance and exit from both sides. These are the rules for angle parking. Number 1, strictly for small cars only, that is saloon cars. 2, park from the farthest end, far end. 3, park by forward gear, that is direct. And 4, leave or exit by reverse. Now the flush parking is the kind of parking found on the left side of the road in the direction of traffic. It has no security, thus it is an uncontrolled parking zone. It also has some rules for flush parking. These are: 1, all types of vehicles except tractors and trailers can park here. 2, it has an entry but you must leave space for the exit. 3, park from the farthest end. Number 4, park by reverse. And lastly, leave or exit by forward or direct driving. And now I would like us to go to the lane options. But before we do that, let us look at the rules of the model town board. Number 1, you are supposed to use the shortest and most correct route without using the parking. Number 2, you are supposed to use the longest and most correct route without using the parking. Number 3, you are only allowed to use the parking zone as a route as a last option. That is, if there is no other route. On a major road, lane 1 has got 2 options. The first option, you stay on lane 1, that is, you go straight. The second option is you turn left at 90 degrees. Lane 2 has got 1 option. You only go straight ahead. Lane 3 has 2 options. first option, you stay on lane 3 and go straight. And second option, turn right at 90 degrees and exit in the middle lane of the minor road. Lane 4 has 4 options. Option 1, turn right at 90 degrees, that is using the innermost lane, and exit the third lane of the minor road. The second option, come back at 180 degrees, that is a U-turn. Option 3, turn left at 270 degrees, that is around the roundabout, and exit in the third lane on the minor road. Then the fourth option, go straight, that is round the roundabout at 360 degrees. At the conclusion of this session, I will present a short preview of roundabout demo to illustrate the expected outcomes and workings of the system being taught. Please stay tuned until the video wraps up. Then we also have directions on a 3-lane road when approaching the roundabout, that is the minor road lane options. The system is 215. Lane 1 has got 2 options. The first option, you go straight ahead. The second option, turn left at 90 degrees. Lane 2 has 1 option, go straight ahead. Lane 3 has 5 options. Option 1, go straight ahead, that is through the third lane of the roundabout and exit in the third lane. Option 2, turn right, that is 90 degrees through the third lane of the roundabout and exit in the third lane of the major road. Option 3, go 90 degrees and exit in the 4th lane of the major road. Option 4, go 180 degrees, that is a U-turn. Option 5, go 270 degrees and exit on the 4th lane of the major road towards your left. Now note that the first 2 options will use the third lane of the roundabout. The last 3 options will use the 4th lane. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for taking time to watch our video. Please don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing our content. And as I promised earlier, get ready for an engaging roundabout demo preview to deepen your understanding. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials ahead. See you next time. Bye.